Got it here, new winter blade factor. This is batch 3, so B3. There's a logo right here. Winter blade and M390 steel, titanium handle, both sides, and the dies purple. There's a name factor. And what's so special about this knife? It is magnetic. Did you hear that? And there's a release. It is so satisfying to open it and close it. And very important thing is very comfortable opening the boxes for any kind of job, honestly. Boom. Then once it's locked, this is pretty much locked in. It cannot do anything. I guess. Cool. I could open it this way too. All is quiet. When this locked in, it doesn't really do anything. It doesn't release a knife or anything. I really like this push button opening mechanism, and it's like a little lever, carbon fiber of some sort, with the neodymium magnet here, and yeah, definitely pushes in there. Wow, where's another magnet? Oh, there's a big magnet right here. That is awesome. So what else is very cool about this knife? This right here, Timascus clip. This clips in itself at least $50 to $100. Those things are awesome. I really like this carbon fiber like inlay on a screw. Beautiful. Factor is just one of the coolest knife. I think one time batch 2, they were sold out in like 5 minutes, and there was like 60 knives in stock. They sold out so fast. And the cool thing about it, right now you cannot find them anywhere for sale. They're sold out everywhere. There'll be a pre-order on a Winter Blade website, Factor B3, so batch 3, on May 24th, exclusive at winterblade.com. And what's so special about the batch 3 is new full titanium scale. That's what it's talking about. New improved magnetic detent, steel capped magnetic design, stronger than the Factor B2 stock detent. New configuration option, choose between a carbon fiber flip lever, more fidget friendly, or solid backspace, better augers. I'm pretty sure this side here, carbon fiber fidget friendly. It's kind of cool how it pushes on a knife, on a blade right here, and it kicks it out. So nice. Okay, new handle profile refinements, more coil space, ramped access to blade window, etc. New hardware, T8 body screws instead of T6. So that's cool. So I cannot wait for pre-order to be open on May 24th. I will try to get some unique models as well to pre-order. And after pre-order, it usually takes few months, couple months to get it, but it's worth it because once they hit like those dealers, they're going to sell out so fast. It will be really hard to get them. Not really sure the pricings yet or anything like that. We'll see it on the pre-order. Also, another way to open it is flick it. Takes a little practice to do it this way, but I love it how it's like a cash register opens. Boom. It is such an awesome knife overall. Every time, so nice. And another way to open it is slow way, is this way, like a little thumb stud in a way. It is just so easy. I love it. Very comfortable. Working on something, cooking, whatever. Definitely overall perfect EDC knife to me. Timascus handles. This is not paint. This is actual different type of titanium and steel, whatever materials, not 100% sure which ones, that is folded many times, then heated, and when it's heated with the different type of metal materials, it creates these different colors. That's my understanding of Timascus. That's the name of like a Damascus, but with colors. I think it's called Timascus. And obviously comes with a sticker or magnet and a sticker. And this one is a prototype, and it says batch 3 prototype. Sometimes prototypes worth a little bit more money, not always, but it's nice to have a prototype. So this is awesome. Looks beautiful in the case, and yeah, cannot wait on a pre-order to open. Hopefully I will try to get a couple for myself. They're probably going to sell out really quickly. Usually they have only limited amount, especially for different colors and such. Love the casing too.